Looking for the best rolling shower chairs? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 rolling shower chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. MJM International Standard Shower Chair. Opening and seat allows toilet use, and fits above a standard-sized commode. Caregivers like how easy it is to transport users from bed or wheelchair into this chair. Material won't rust or mildew. Removable mesh back dries quickly. An easy-to-assemble chair that rolls easily, creating a trouble-free shower experience for those with limited mobility. Height of chair cannot be adjusted. Users would like to see all 4 wheels lock, not just 2. At number 2. DMI Rolling Shower Transport Chair. Some users find this more sturdy than PVC chairs, although backrest is still PVC. Offers both durability and comfort for long periods of time while showering or using the toilet. Larger wheels move smoothly across both hard surfaces and carpet. No need to sacrifice comfort and mobility if cost is an issue, thanks to this budget-friendly wheeled shower chair. Designed to hold only 250 pounds. Height is not adjustable. Some users found it hard to assemble. At number 1. MJM International Reclining Shower Chair. Durable construction will hold up to 300 pounds, yet it's lightweight enough to transport users easily. Easy to assemble. 6 settings for multiple positions and comfortable padding. Contains no latex, for those concerned with allergic reactions. Top of the line in mobile shower chairs, this model both reclines and provides leg elevation for extra comfort. No seat belt to hold user in place. Will not fit into standard bathtubs, designed for shower use only. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.